Hello students, here is the question. The real valued function f of x is equals to cosec inverse x upon root of x minus greatest integer function x, where x greatest integer function, that is this part over here, denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x, is defined for all x belonging to. So we need to find a domain of x, and what we are given over here is the function cosec inverse x upon root of x minus greatest integer part of x. So over here we can say that cosec inverse x upon root of x minus greatest integer part of x will have x belonging to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity, because if we put 1 in this case, x is 1 and this part will become 1 because this is greatest integer less than or equal to x. Now x is 1 and it is an integer, so x, that is this part over here, the bracket that is over here, will become x, so the denominator will become 0. And we know that x minus, that is greatest integer part, if you remove the integer part from a number, what is remaining is the fractional part, and thus the fractional part cannot be 0 and thus x cannot be an integer. We know that cosec inverse x will always have a value that is that won't have an integer in that. The only thing that will make it an integer is if this is equal to 0, and we know that the fraction part cannot be 0, so x cannot be an integer. And if x cannot be an integer, so we just remove the bounds on minus 1 and 1 to make that these are the domains in which this is true. Thank you.